Most people get this wrong. They think embedding TikTok videos on X, formerly Twitter, is complicated. But the surprising truth is that it's actually very simple and only takes a few steps. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open the TikTok app or website and find the video you want to share. Click the share button and select copy link. This copies the URL to your clipboard. Step 2. Open X and start a new tweet. Paste the TikTok video link directly into the tweet. X automatically generates a preview of the video, showing a thumbnail and play button. No additional coding or embedding is required. Step 3. Add any text, hashtags, or mentions you want, then click tweet. When your followers see it, they can watch the video directly from X without leaving the platform. Optional tip: if you want to embed the video on a website or blog, TikTok also provides an embed option under the Share menu. Copy the embed code and paste it into your site's HTML editor. In conclusion, embedding TikTok videos on X is quick, easy, and requires no technical expertise. Just copy the link, paste it, and you're done. Subscribe for more simple social media tips and tutorials.